Welcome back, everybody. Today, class, we're gonna learn the intricacies of making the YouTube monies. Now, if you guys are excited and you guys want to be like this guy, YouTube, the place where only you can find clips like this.
Had your kids, had your wife, and had your husband because they raping everybody out here.
Wow, that's freaking awesome. We are here to show you the 27 best methods to making money. We're gonna show you exactly what it takes from a channel that has basically 0 subscribers. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. My name is Andrew Alvey. We're gonna show you the best possible ways to make money online with YouTube in a small channel. So everybody wants a piece of the YouTube pie, including myself with these clickbaity titles and thumbnails. What we're gonna show you today is exactly how we can make $16,827 in 30 seconds by being a YouTuber with 0 subscribers. All right, so first step, it is whiteboard. Bring up the whiteboard, baby. Whiteboards, woo! All right, so the first way to get that YouTube monies is to follow the simple method.
You get 10,000. Oh shit. You get 10,000. You get 10,000. You get 10,000. And your boy gets 10,000.
In this video, I know that we clickbaited you. You totally thought you were gonna get 27, and we had no intention of giving it to you. So if you wanted 27 ways, you're only gonna get 3. If you wanted 27, dislike the video, unsub. You're probably not subscribed anyways, so that's okay. Anyways, 3 actual real strategies to make you money from a small YouTube channel. All right, step 1, draw on a whiteboard. Step 2, yell and curse.
We're shit, piss, fuck, cunt, cocksucker, motherfucker, and tits.
Step 3 is smash that like button right now. Go down below. It takes 2 seconds. Drop a like if you want to see me yelling at a microphone more and telling you exactly what the fuck you should do to grow your business.
Oh, shit! A rat!
All right, so people are always confused on exactly what it takes to make money on YouTube. We're going to break it down into 3 simple steps. I am going to make it so freaking brain dead stupid that your 85-year-old grandma will be on YouTube tomorrow making videos.
What is your name? Ribbon.
Close enough. It's Venusaur.
A what?
Venusaur.
Where the hell?
So step 1 that you have to focus on is we are going to be talking about a personal brand. Keep in mind, a personal brand is really what sells products these days, okay? If you guys want to sell products, you cannot just simply have a freaking green tea and say, hey, look at this green tea. It's so cool. Don't you want to buy? Nobody gives a shit about your green tea. What they care about is the person cool that is selling the green tea? Does he drive a nice car? Is he super fit? Does he have a hot girlfriend? Does he have a Rolex? Does he have a lot of money? Is he going to concerts? Is he living this hippie-free, cool lifestyle? Now, if you're going to create a YouTube channel in 2019, you have to be a personal brand, because essentially what you're doing here is you're making it a lot easier for people to buy products from you, because people like to see a face associated with a product. They're gonna buy a product from somebody they like. It is a lot easier to get somebody to like you, and therefore people will buy your products because of it, okay? This way you don't have to talk about how good the product is and la 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 and how this bullshit does this or that. Nobody gives a fuck. Now, there's a few different ways that you can look at this. The first is Logan Paul sells Maverick merch. You've 100% heard of Logan Paul. Don't fucking tell me you haven't, and don't try to act cooler than you are. So, Logan Paul sells Maverick merch, which is his merchandise. No one gives a crap. Is it the hottest, softest merch in the game? Nobody fucking knows. But the point is, the 13-year-olds that buy it, they buy it because they want to be a fucking boxer. They want to be cool. They want to live in a mansion. They want to drive a Lambo. They want to have a girl. They want to have freaking watch. They want to be a baller. They want to be a shot caller. You know what I'm saying? So this is why people buy things. It's personal brands. If you're going to set up a YouTube channel, it 100% needs to be a personal brand. That is the first step, okay? Step number 1. We're going to label it right there. Step number 2 is niche. You guys must choose a niche. The reason a niche is so important is you have to be the guy as the go-to expert in that field. Pick a certain subject and stick to it. The niche comes down to either health, wealth, or relationships. These are the 3 best fields that you can be in. Oh, sorry, I got a burp. Yeah. Whether you're in health, wealth, relationships, the point is your niche should be something that you can find on ClickBank that is gonna make you money. ClickBank is just a site with tons of different products that you can sell as an affiliate and promote. Don't make a channel on something garbage that you can't sell anything on. Don't make a channel on comedy. Don't make a channel on video games. Don't make a channel on cars. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Get a commission on a car? What are you gonna do? Help people buy a new video game? Those channels don't make dick. You make a comedy channel? That's a fucking joke right there. So make your niche in something, whether it's green juice, fitness, selling tech products, health, so you can make a fucking health program, you can show off your fucking abs and look like a boss. Make your niche in something that makes you money. Health, wealth, relationships. That's step 2. What we're gonna do is we're gonna tie these two together, okay? Now the way that we're gonna tie these two together is you wanna have your personal brand, you wanna have your niche, you're gonna go, bah, make it one thing. Now, we're gonna jump over here. I wanna pull up another tab here. I'm sorry, I was looking up something earlier. We're gonna go to youtube.com. All right, so what you're gonna do is come in here and you're gonna go find your niche. Let's say guys ab workouts. Okay, so let's say you're looking into the health space, you're doing ab workouts, you're doing an ab channel, whatever it may be. So the first thing you're gonna look for is look for these bigger videos that are performing really well in your niche, okay? We have Dr. Oz, strengthen your core in 5 minutes. That's cool. Helping men belly fat, blah, blah, blah. 6-pack abs for beginners. 29 million views. Fucking winner right there. Next, 7-minute ab workout. 7-minute ab workout. Very quick and to the point. 6-pack guaranteed. That's fucking a blatant lie. 1.2 million views. Now, you want to find channels that have lower subscriber counts and a lot further view on these videos, because that means those are videos that are likely to go viral, okay? When you go back to our plan, so we have our brand, we have our niche. Now the next biggest thing that we have to do here is we have to create videos. I recommend 15 to start. 15 videos is a good start, and it puts together a slew of crap for your channel to start surfing on. Now, these 15 videos are not just random. These 15 videos are like we just showed you. They are highly targeted to our audience, okay? So these 15 videos are going to be viral videos. That is the whole purpose of them, okay? Now, whether you're in the men's health and abs, you got plenty of research here. Whether you're in the income, let's look at passive income. You're in the make money online, boom, passive income. Bam, there's your boy's video showing up number 4, 7 best ways to make passive income with zero experience, $100 per day, revealed proof. Now this video should show you my channel has 17 subscribers. How does my channel have 17 subscribers? I type in a keyword like passive income and we show up number 4. That should tell you that this method is working, okay? This current video you're watching right now is doing this exact method. If you guys aren't following this, you're just a fucking moron, guys. That's your boy right there. We're making fucking history. And this video was uploaded 1 day ago, as you can see, okay? We're getting the SEO juice, yes, but this video is tagged properly. This video is following a very hot trend. And if you look at that title right there, 7, which is a fucking amazing number, make passive income, zero experience, $100 a day, revealed proof. I don't think you can get more keywords in a title and get more targeted than that, but that is the plan. I'm even gonna click on this video to give me some more juice, baby. Back to our whiteboard here. You want to grab your 15 videos. That's how you're going to start this whole process. You're going to make 15 of the most kind of popular videos that are really taking off in your industry. And if you do this right, you can expect probably about 3 of those videos to take off, okay? So that's fine. Now, those 3 videos that take off, keep in mind, you are hoping those 3 videos get between 10 and 50K views, okay? Now, I know that sounds ambitious, but what happens is YouTube is gonna recommend your stuff because you're hitting all these hot topics that are already popular videos. You're just gonna remake them with your own spin because YouTube is all about perception. Somebody wants to watch a video about me, curse the fuck out of the video, and show them how to make money with a brand new YouTube channel with 0 followers, 0 subscribers, instead of watching some guy who's all boring and clean edge tell you, oh, this is what you have to do. So stick with me here, guys. We're getting there. Those 3 videos, we already know that they were winners. So when those videos hit 10 to 50K views, we inevitably are gonna get a bunch of subscribers. Now, you may only get, let's say, 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers. Now that's okay. 3,000 to 5,000 subscribers is a really good number. Imagine if you have 3 videos take off and get 10K each, even the minimum of those 15 videos, 3 take off, you just rode a wave and got 3,000 to 5,000 new subscribers to your channel. Now, what are you gonna do that you have those new subscribers? Well, that means every single month you have people watching your videos now, you're starting to get AdSense in revenue, okay? Those videos are gonna start to create ad revenue, okay? Ad revenue is just people watching your videos, YouTube placing ads. This is one of the least effective. What the fuck is going on around here? I fucking hate this Apple fucking mouse bullshit. Okay, get back to the pen. Okay, boom. So with these 3,000 to 5,000 subs, you're now cranking out videos, and with these, your videos should now start to produce you at least $1,000 a month in ad revenue, okay? So $1,000 a month is just simply getting you started. That's giving you a little bit of money because your videos are getting juice now and you're building up subscribers. Now, what we're gonna do is grab this whole thing, move it up here. That was part 1, okay? That's the easy part. Just recreating videos that are already popular in your niche, putting a personal brand behind it, putting a face, putting something that people can get behind, and stop being boring. Nobody wants boring, okay? So after that, we make $1,000 a month. That's great. Now that is not where the money comes in. The money comes in here at the next step. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take those money that you're making now, or use some other money because you have a job, you're not a fucking broke bum, and you're gonna start to retarget the people that watch your videos. Now, you just created a list on 3 different videos of 10 to 50K, which means you have tons of people to retarget. This is where a key strategy comes in, retargeting, okay? Retargeting is simple. Google Ads literally does this for you. They will track everybody in a custom audience that is all people that watched your videos. Now, what you can do is those people that watch your videos and those people that subscribe to you, you want to retarget those visitors and you want to show them an ad. Now, this ad, just like we said earlier, could be an affiliate product of yours, okay? Affiliates. It could be a product that you own, your personal product. Let's say you make a $47 ebook, okay? You're not gonna make millions of dollars a year off this, but the point of this is not to make millions of dollars a year. The point of this is to start adding up this system that you're gonna build out, which is gonna start to pay you for years to come. Now, like I said, when you retarget these people, you're retargeting them with YouTube ads because people are more likely to buy from people they've already seen. If you see me and I'm talking to you and you get to know me, you like me, you see me cursing you the fuck out, and while you go to watch some Taylor Swift video or some other douchebag's video, you see me pop up and start cursing and telling you, hey, check out this fucking badass product that we just got in. I know that you watched my video. I know that you fucking saw it. Don't lie to me. And here's a cool little thing that's gonna help you guys, you know, make more passive income online. Here's a little free training I'm gonna give you because I know you're interested in it.
This is a tasty burger.
So what you do at this point is you want to make 3 or 4 different ads, okay? You want to have, let's say, 3 or 4 different affiliate products, okay, that you can sell, and you want to have maybe, well, you probably just have one of your own products in the beginning. Now, the point is if you keep showing the same video ad to your viewers, it's going to get stale after a week. If you make 4 ads and you can show 1 ad every week and you have 4 different ads in a month, odds are you're going to be, 1, getting a lot more subscribers to your YouTube channel, 2, you're going to be getting a lot more views because you're going to be boosting these videos, 3, you're gonna get people buying shit through your affiliate link, and 4, you're gonna get people buying your info products. Now, if you are truly not a fucking moron, you're gonna have them opt in to an email list, okay? Email, we'll just leave it at that. So you're gonna have these people opt into an email list, you're gonna start making more money down the line, and that is how you just start smashing this fucking process and blowing the fucking income roof off the fucking house, okay? Now, a lot of people, they don't want to hear about email marketing. They want to run ads. They want to do this. They want to do that. They want to make $1 bajillion while they sit at home and do nothing. Now, the point is, this is not a system where you sit around and do nothing. This is a system that you're going to build out one time, and then all you do after that is continue to make these kind of viral videos that are taking off, and a small percentage of them after a week, 2 weeks, is going to start to blow up, and then you already have ads in place that are already retargeting them, surrounding your niche, and those ads are already getting them onto your email list. The emails are already going out for the next few months automated, and boom, you just added another $3,000 a month to your income, okay? Now, we're getting crazy here, but we're not done. I told you I was going to give you 3 different ways, all right? That's a 3,000, okay? And if you can't see, you probably need glasses because it's crystal clear on my end. So the point of this is now that we just retargeted all these guys and we're building an email list if you're not a fucking moron, we're also adding one other small aspect here, and that's once they visit our pages, whether it's our affiliate pages and they're opting into our email list, or it's our info products that we're selling them, which is how to make more money, how to lose weight quicker, how to have better relationships, whatever the hell is that you're talking about, on all those pages, we are going to have a Facebook pixel. Now, this Facebook pixel is going to track people. It's going to have a little cookie. It's going to tell them they landed on that page, because now when they leave the YouTube platform, let's say they watched a video of us organically, then they got hit with an ad with us, they got to our page, we either got their email, we didn't, well, guess what? Now we take them over to the Facebook platform and we show them another ad over there. We show them a video, we have a button, we tell them, hey, opt in, check out this cool thing, we're gonna give it to you, and now you can click here to buy it, okay? So we just automatically create this whole system, this whole ecosystem out of nothing from a channel with 0 subscribers, maybe 15 because you begged your friends and family to subscribe. How are you, Mom? I love you. But the point is that this bullshit that looks like a bunch of bullshit that's going all over the place with extra arrows is going to be the result of some hard work. That's how passive income works. You actually have to do the work. I know it's fucking mind-blowing, but once you do the work, let's say, what do we do here? 3,000, 1,000, that's 1,000 plus 3 is 4. We need a calculator, I think. Plus, we're gonna say Facebook ads, retargeting, you can make at least another 1,000. Let's just call this a simple $5 grand a month. Let's just say we showed you how to make $5,000 a month with the dumbest, simplest strategy on YouTube, and now everybody's out there telling you, oh, make viral videos, just get the AdSense money. That's probably $1,000 a month. What you want to do is do this the right way, which is 100% building out a system that is how anything in life with passive income works, okay? This is a lot of work in the beginning. You build out this system. Once you have this whole system built out, it's just like a giant funnel, okay? There's the first level, which is your viral videos. There's the second level, which is you showing them YouTube ads, okay? There is the third level, which is getting them on your email list. Then there's the fourth level, which is Facebook ads, and this all equals money, okay? Now I have a full system in place. I am gonna crank out videos like a fucking machine, okay? This is a gear, something resembling a gear. So once you build this machine, you put shit into it, actual human shit, and you get money out. This is the best way to make money online. 100% coming in the year 2020. This is the system we're building out now. Follow this channel, like this video, subscribe to this video. You guys are beautiful, amazing people. YouTube loves it. I love it. If you learned anything, or you just want to see a guy yelling at his computer for another 15 to possibly 20 minutes, depending what my editor does with this video, like the video, comment down below, let us know exactly what it is that you guys want to see. We're showing you the tips. We're showing you how to do these things that nobody's talking about. We're taking this channel to the moon, and we want to take you guys with us 100%. I'll see you guys on the next video. Andrew Alvey out.